Canva versus Visme, which one is better? Hello and welcome to our channel WebWiz. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you a comparison review between Canva and Visme. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So in doing a comparison review between Visme and Canva, let's start first by knowing this platform, Visme. So just open your browser and kindly go to visme.co. And if you haven't signed up for Visme yet, you can check the video description below for a special discount link. But before that, if you don't know Visme, it is an online platform used for creating various types of visual content, including presentations, infographics, reports, social media graphics, and many more, in which it is a cloud-based design tool that aims to empower users to easily create engaging visual content without requiring advanced design skills. And some of the features that this platform provides, including templates, design elements, data visualization, interactivity, collaboration, export and sharing, and many more. And now that we know the background info of Visme, in order to access this platform, you can simply click sign up for free, and after that, all you need to do is to fill out all of the required information. Then you will be directed on this dashboard. And as you can see from here, they also offer a variety of templates that you can choose, which can also be found under this templates button right here. It will show you a variety of templates that you can choose, such as for presentations, infographics, charts and maps, and many more. Now going back on this dashboard of Visme, to start creating a presentations, below here under all templates, all you need to do is to choose the template that you prefer, or what kind of presentations are you going to do. But alternatively, if you want to create from scratch, you can do that by simply clicking this create from blank under this template. And after that, you will be directed on this page, in which from here you can start customizing your presentation with the use of editing tools that can be found on the left side panel. Now moving on to the other platform, which is canva.com. And if you haven't signed up for Canva yet, you can check the video description below for a special discount link. But before that, if you don't know Canva, it is another widely used graphic design platform that provides a user-friendly interface for creating various designs, in which it also offers a variety of templates for social media graphics, presentations, poster, flyers, and many more. So if you click this templates option on the left side panel, below here it will show you a variety of templates that you can choose, which is also categorized such as for social media, education, video, marketing, and many more. And from here, you can even search on the search bar some of the template that you prefer. And you could also create from scratch. So for instance, I'm going to create an infographics. So kind of click the create design button, or just click this infographics and create blank. And after clicking on it, you will be directed on this page, in which from here, you could also start designing or customizing your project using some of the editing tools that can be found on the left side panel as well. So basically, both Visme and Canva are popular online design platforms that offer a range of editing tools for creating visual content. So Canva and Visme share some similarities but also have differences in terms of their editing tools. However, one of the differences between Canva and Visme in terms of editing tools is that Canva offers an elements option, which contain a wide variety of design elements that users can incorporate into their design, including photos, videos, audio, stickers, and numerous graphic elements. So all of that are in one place on Canva. While on the other hand, on Visme, as you can see on the left side panel, the elements option are categorized into different kind of section right here. We have here graphics, photos, data, media, theme colors, and many more. Wherein in Canva, all of those elements can just be found into one option, which is the elements option. And also, Visme is more refined and is particularly strong in data visualization, offering tools such as charts, graphs, diagrams, and maps, while Canva is known for its extensive template library, photo editing option, and real-time collaboration features. However, both of them also offer a collaboration feature, since in here on Visme, if you want to share your project with other people or with your friends, you can do that by simply clicking this plus icon on the top panel in order to invite other people to collaborate with this project. However, in order to invite or collaborate with others, you must have an upgrade account in order to do so. So make sure that you also use an upgrade account if you want to collaborate with others. While in Canva, you don't need to have an upgrade account in order to share your work or collaborate with other people with your project. So you have the option to enter their email address or by simply copying the link and send it directly to them. While in Visme, you must have an upgrade account in order to collaborate with others. So that means Canva is generally considered to have a better collaboration features compared to Visme. Now aside from collaboration feature, let's now move on to integration or other platform or apps that can be integrated to Canva and Visme. So Canva and Visme both offer integration with various apps and services, but Canva integrates with a wide range of platforms including Facebook, Slack, Google Photos, MailChimp, YouTube, and many more, in which it offers add-on apps for creating product mockups, image frames, and QR code generators. While on the other hand, Visme can be integrated also with apps such as YouTube, HubSpot, Salesforce, and Zapier. And this integration enhances Visme's functionality and allow users to streamline their workflow by connecting Visme with other platforms and services. However, Canva is noted to integrate with a larger number of apps compared to Visme, giving it an edge in this aspect. And aside from integrations, they also differ in terms of storage spacing that they provide. Since Canva offers 5 GB of cloud storage on its free plan and 1 TB on each of its paid plan, providing ample space for users to store their design assets. And also in terms of plan and pricing, both platforms offer a free plan, but to compare the pricing of Canva to Visme, Canva offers 5 pricing plans such as the Free Plan, Pro, Teams, Education, and Enterprise, in which the Teams, Education, and Enterprise plans are tailored for collaborative work and offer additional features and benefits. And below here, it will show you the corresponding prices on each plan and the list of benefits it included below here. You could also see here the cloud storage that they provide on each plan. On the other hand, on Visme, in terms of the storage that they provide, and also the plans and pricing. So Visme has a simpler pricing structure with 4 plans such as the pre-plan or the basic, the starter plan or standard, business, and enterprise, which is the pro, and the Visme for teams, which is for enterprise. And below here, it will show you the corresponding prices and the list of benefits it included on each plan. However, the free plan is limited, providing access to a smaller template library and 100 MB of cloud storage, while the standard, business, and enterprise plans offer more features, storage, and customization option. And now that we know the both pricing plan that both platforms offer, I can say that in terms of pricing, Canva is generally more affordable than Visme, and it offers a more extensive template library and storage space. However, Visme's higher tier plans provide advanced features and are suitable for businesses and professional users. So basically, the choice between the two depends on the specific needs and budget of the user. So that is just a comparison review between Canva and Visme. Thank you.